What really happens when you eat crispy French fries? Have you ever wondered what actually happens inside your body in the next few minutes after you eat crispy French fries? Not just the taste, but how your stomach, your intestines, your brain, your muscles, even your blood sugar and energy react step by step. In this video, we'll travel inside the human body and follow a single serving of crispy French fries from the first bite to digestion, nutrient absorption, benefits, and even possible side effects you should know about. Stay with me until the end, because after you see this whole journey, you will never look at fries the same way again. You take a fry, lift it to your mouth, and bite down. In your mouth, your teeth break the fries into smaller pieces. Your saliva starts working on the starch with an enzyme called amylase. This doesn't fully digest them, but it begins turning some starch into simple sugars. After you swallow, the food travels down your esophagus into your stomach. In the stomach, strong stomach acid and enzymes go to work. The potatoes soften and break down more. The fats from the frying oil mix with stomach contents and slowly move on to the next stage. If you eat a small, normal portion, most stomachs handle this without a problem. But if you overeat or are sensitive to fatty or fried food, this is the stage where discomfort or irritation can begin. From the stomach, the partly digested fries move into the small intestine. Here, bile from your liver and gallbladder helps break down the fats. Enzymes from your pancreas help digest carbohydrates and proteins. Along the walls of the small intestine, tiny finger-like structures called villi and microvilli absorb nutrients into the bloodstream. From crispy French fries, your body mainly absorbs carbohydrates, broken into glucose, your basic fuel, fats used for energy and stored in fat tissue, small amounts of vitamins and minerals, depending on the potato and oil, a little fiber, especially if the skins are left on. Glucose enters the blood and travels through your body. Your pancreas releases insulin, which helps move glucose from the blood into your cells for energy. The fats are packed into special particles and sent into your circulation, some to be burned as energy and some to be stored for later. Now, let's see how these nutrients affect different parts of your body. Brain. Glucose from the fries reaches your brain. Your brain runs almost entirely on glucose, so a normal rise in blood sugar can give a short boost in alertness. But if the meal is large and very high in refined carbs and fat, the quick spike and drop in blood sugar can leave some people feeling sluggish later. Muscles. Your muscles also use glucose for energy. Some of the carbs from the fries refill glycogen stores. That's your stored carbohydrate in muscle and liver. If you are active, this can help fuel movement and exercise. But if you're not very active and often eat more calories than you burn, the extra energy can turn into stored body fat over time. Gut and microbiome. French fries don't have a lot of fiber, especially compared to whole potatoes. Your gut bacteria, your microbiome, generally prefer more fiber-rich foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. A diet high in fried, low-fiber foods and low in fiber overall can, over time, be less friendly to a diverse, healthy microbiome. Energy levels. Right after eating, the carbs can give you a short energy boost as blood sugar rises, but a heavy meal of fried food may also make your digestion work harder, slow you down, and in some people, cause a crash feeling later, when blood sugar drops back down. Not everyone will feel side effects right away, but there are some real possibilities to understand, especially with frequent or large portions of fries. Stomach irritation. High-fat, very salty, or spicy fried foods can trigger heartburn, indigestion, or stomach discomfort in people who are sensitive or who have conditions like reflux. Allergic reactions. Some people may react not to the potato itself, but to the oil, seasonings, or additives. This can show up as skin redness, itching, or digestive upset. Blood sugar spikes. Fries are high in rapidly digested carbs. For some people, especially those with insulin resistance or diabetes, this can cause sharp rises in blood sugar, which are not healthy if they happen often. Fatigue and low energy over time. A diet high in fried foods and low in whole, nutrient-dense foods is linked in research to a higher risk of weight gain, heart disease, and type 2 diabetes. Over time, this can leave you feeling less energetic and less healthy. So, what does all this mean for you? Crispy French fries can be enjoyed, but they are best treated as an occasional food, not an everyday fuel. If you love fries, consider keeping portions small, pairing them with protein and fiber-rich foods like salad or vegetables, balancing your diet with plenty of whole grains, fruits, and veggies, and staying active so your body uses the extra energy. Now that you've seen inside your body's reaction, which part surprised you the most? The stomach, the intestines, the brain, or the blood sugar spike? If you want more simple, science-based breakdowns of what your favorite foods do inside your body, save this video, share it with someone who loves fries, and follow for more clear, honest health explainers. Your body is always working for you. The more you understand it, the better choices you can make, one bite at a time.